Help! Help! I feel dizzy.
Someone call for help. Is she okay?
Don't move. Too much help is coming.
Oh, all right.
Let's grab some apples and carrots.
All right, team.
Yo!
Let's tackle this grocery run.
We've got a long list today, guys. Can we get cookies, please? Please, please, please.
Jake, we go every week. Chill out.
Buddy's riding shotgun in the way back today. Ha ha ha.
Remember, stay close to us in the store.
Only service dogs are allowed. Buddy? Huh? Store rules?
Well, that's right. Mia knows her stuff sport. We'll be quick, buddy. Won't mind waiting.
Here we are, Mega Mart.
Be a good boy, buddy. We'll be back.
Don't worry, boy. We'll bring you treats.
Wow, it's pretty crowded today. Huh.
Saturday morning rush. Everyone's out shopping. Okay, fam. Stick together. Let's do this.
Whoa! Look at all this stuff.
First stop produce section. We need veggie. Jake, stay close, don't get lost. All right, let's grab some apples and carrots. These apples look nice and fresh.
This lettuce looks crisp and fresh.
Can I pick the apples? Mom?
Sure, sweetie. Pick the reddest ones.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5 apples. Not too green, not too brown. Perfect.
Nice job, kids. Ah, you're natural shoppers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Here you go.
Thank you, dear. Such a lovely family. Thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am.
All right, let's grab some milk, eggs, cheese, the breakfast essentials.
Cool. It's like a cloud in there. Checking for broken eggs, just like you taught me.
That's my smart girl. Always check first.
This is my favorite part of the store.
Ha ha. I wonder why you've got a sweet tooth.
Can we get chocolate chip?
Huh?
Pretty.
please. Only if you eat all your veggies tonight.
Deal. I promise I'll eat everything. These are healthier. Huh, good for my lunchbox. Ah, empty ones.
Way to make good choices, sweetheart.
Whoa, there must be 100 kinds.
Let's stick with our usual honey oat clusters.
I got it. Right here on the top. Orange juice or apple juice this week?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. That's my jam.
He's still learning slang. It's adorable. We need ice cream for dessert tonight. Yes. Ha 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 ha.
It's freezing in here. No kidding.
So many flavors. This is tough to choose.
What was that noise? Did someone fall?
Oh no! That lady from earlier.
Help! Help! I feel dizzy.
Someone call for help. Is she okay?
Mommy! What's wrong with her? Mommy, what's wrong with her?
She's not feeling well, sweetie.
Stay calm.
Can you hear me? Are you all right? Just keep breathing.
Wait. I remember first aid from school.
Mia, honey. Maybe we should wait for Bob.
Mom, I know what to do. Trust me. Ma'am, can you squeeze my hand?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Young lady. So kind.
Someone call 911 right now, please.
Monday, Tuesday.
On it. Calling emergency services now.
Yes, hello? We have a situation. An elderly woman has fallen in the frozen food section.
Yeah.
Yes, she is conscious. A young girl is with her.
Don't move. Too much help is coming.
That's our girl.
She's so brave. Here, take tiny sips. Very slow. Oh. Mia's like a real superhero.
Paramedics are on the way, 5 minutes out.
You're doing great. Pam and Chum. Just breathe with me.
Thank you. Young lady.
Hi.
So kind.
You're welcome. Isang hang 9 tames satsmen.
I learned this at school.
Please give them space.
Everyone step back.
You're amazing, kiddo.
Hi, Helming. We're so proud.
I hear the ambulance. They're here.
And Stanley's thoughts here. Flo, we got a call about a fall.
What do we think you about, Tat?
She fell and felt dizzy, huh? I kept her calm.
Ah, you did an excellent job, sweetheart. Ma'am, we're taking you to the hospital. Can I know your name? Dear Angel?
I'm Mia. I hope you feel better soon.
Bless you, Mia. You're my hero today.
You should be proud. You saved someone today.
Mom, this is so embarrassing.
Can you teach me first aid? 2. Of course, Jake. Well, it's super important to know.
Your daughter is remarkable. A real hero.
She definitely takes after her mom.
Please, let me do something for you. A small token of our appreciation.
Wow. Thank you. But I just helped. You're famous now, Mia. So cool.
We're incredibly proud of you, sweetheart.
Let's finish up.
We've had quite the adventure. I want to help too, like Mia.
I heard what happened. Your daughter's a hero. That was really brave what you did back there.
I just did what anyone should do.
That'll be $75.32.
Well worth it for today's lesson.
What did we learn today, kids?
What did you do? Mia, you're my hero too. Anyone can be a hero by helping others.
Kindness and knowledge can save lives.
True heroes are those who help others without hesitation.